So in today's video we have a product review and it is this. This is by the brand Renpho and it is an eye massager. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely great today. Today's video is a product review and it is in this box right here. So it's by the brand Renpho and it is an eye massager. Let's open it on up. This is inside the box and I just want to make it clear from the start, I have not paid for this item. Renpho very kindly contacted me and asked if they were to send me this, would I do an unboxing and review on my channel about this product? And that is what we're going to do. So yeah, this has been gifted. If you are interested in purchasing this for yourself or for a loved one, if you think it would make a good present, I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box. So in the box, we get the instruction manual, which is always handy indeed. We get the actual, oh, if I can open it up, we get the actual massager. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting, but this certainly feels more than what I was expecting. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. And then we have the USB charger. Get it out of here. So for those of you who are interested in purchasing this for yourself, this is £52.99. So initially you think, okay, that is a lot of money for like a little thing that you pop on your face. So this is what this video is all about. I always treat something like this where I've been gifted something. I always put myself in the place of, if I have saved up for this and bought this myself, would I think that it's worth it? So let's just find out if it is. I just have their website up and running on my phone there just to get some information about this product. And it says here that it is perfect for anyone facing monitors all day. Our eye massager was designed to target acupoints so you can alleviate tension and reduce headaches. This is the perfect massage for anyone working long days or studying late at night. Apparently it relieves headaches and eye strain with a heated massage. Oh, that sounds absolutely fantastic. Oscillating trigger point pressure and built-in heating pads provide a comfortable temperature between 104 and 107 Fahrenheit, which is 40 to 42 Celsius. Great for relieving eye strain, eye puffiness, dry eyes and more. It says portable sleek design. Our clamshell design allows you to take the eye massager to work, wear it on flights while traveling, or use anywhere at your own convenience. The head strap is easily adjustable in size and suitable for teenagers and adults. Wireless music speakers? What? Oh my god, this is getting better and better. Our wireless Bluetooth eye massager comes with 2 meditational tracks and built-in Bluetooth functionality to connect wirelessly to your smartphone or any other media device. Okay, that is freaking awesome. So how about we just have a play? Here it is, and then there's that strap with the adjustable bit on, and it's nice and thick and it feels quite soft actually, and really good quality, so that's going to be comfortable around the head, which is fab. It has this protective plastic. On this side we have the brand name, the company name, and then on this side we have buttons to press. Let me get that manual and see what the buttons mean. Okay, interesting to know, it just says this appliance can be used by children from aged 8 years and above. So when it folds in half, you can see this, and that is where you stick the charger. Right, so the music symbol just here, it has 2 meanings to it. So if you press it for a short period of time, it's a volume change button. If you press it for a long period of time, it skips to the next track. Right, so that on off button just here, and then that little light there. That little light there is an LED indicator. And then this button here, short press for mode change, long press for power on, power off. Then the other button just here, that one there at the bottom, that one is if you press it for a short period of time, it's compression change, and if you press it for a long period of time, it's wireless mode, BT on off. Okay. Yeah, mode 1 is air pressure, heat and music. Mode 2 is air pressure, heat, vibration and music. Mode 3 is air pressure only and music. Mode 4 is heat only. And mode 5 is vibration only and music. Let's just have a little play now and see if we can figure this thing out. So it's quite a weight, guys. It really is quite a weight, and the quality feels awesome. It's nice and soft as well on your eyes there. I just need to make that a little bit smaller. Right, so long press the power button to turn it on, and then short presses of the power button to change the mode. Let's do that. So let's turn it on.
Please close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Air pressure plus heat.
Just making that a bit tighter. Oh, it's moving in there. Oh. Oh yeah, you can feel the air. Can you hear that music? The heat feels lovely. It feels really nice, guys.
Air pressure plus heat plus vibration.
Guys, this feels so nice. Oh, there's the vibration. I don't know about the vibration. It feels like when you're in a loud club and you've stepped outside and you can hear the music and you're like, it's like that's the sensation you get when it's right there. It like gets in your temples as well, guys. So it's doing your eyes, but it's also your temples as well. Or at least for me it is, which is awesome. This is so nice. That's so nice. Let's turn that off for now. Oh my god, guys. I feel so relaxed now, and I've only had it on a few minutes. I can't wait to wear that in bed tonight. Oh my god. Yeah, just off that few minutes there, I feel lovely. I feel nice and chilled. My eyes feel really nice and warm, and feels really, really good.
Please close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Air pressure plus heat.
Feels so good on my temples. And the heat is instant as well, but it's a nice calming heat. It's not like a, ooh, that's hot heat. And it's good how it bends here, because when the air contracts, it kind of like moves the mass. Oh, so good. So when you turn the heat off, it goes off instantly. The heat's gone, like straight away. Guys, that is so good. I am so relaxed right now. Right, so I am back. So the footage that I've just showed you, that was from the first night of using the eye massager. I've been using it every other night, and don't get me wrong, I go through bouts where I have insomnia, and at the moment I'm in a bout of insomnia. It hasn't answered my prayers, and it hasn't like knocked me out or anything like that. But when you lie there and you're trying to get to sleep, and you kind of like get wound up about it, wearing this just puts you in a nice relaxing state, so you kind of just happily lying there resting with it on, and then even when it's finished and you take it off, you can still lie there and you feel relaxed from it. So I'm not asleep, but you do get that relaxation effect just lying there, so you're getting some form of rest, which has definitely helped me out big style. But yeah, as a nice pampering treat, a pampering session, just to have that feeling of relaxation, guys, oh my god, This is so good. And imagine all of those warming eye masks that you get, that you buy in the disposable. It can get quite costly. Yes, this is 50 odd pounds to actually buy, but once you've got it, you've got it. You've got your charger and it'll last forever more. Whereas with the warm-up pads, you have to keep obviously buying them over and over again. And then with this, you get the actual massage with the heat as well, which is freaking good. I have had a go of playing my music through it. And yeah, that's been actually really quite nice as well, just playing my music and then having the massage. And what I absolutely love about this, when you have the air pressure in it and the air moves, so that's the actual massage. So it's not only your eyes, it moves round to your temples as well. And yeah, love that, especially when you've got a little bit of a stress headache and then it's massaging your temples for you and you just lie there and you're like, yeah, it's really good. I am so impressed with this. I am definitely wanting to try some more Renpho products. I've actually been looking at some weighing scales and stuff, because as soon as my beauty room, couldn't get my words out there, as soon as my beauty room has been sorted, I'm going to have a little exercise corner in my beauty room, and I want to try and start losing weight. So I think a weighing scale is going to come in really handy. And I don't just want a basic weighing scale, I want to where it measures other stuff in your body too. And this, the quality that's gone in this, I really do want to try other products from this brand. So yeah, this gets a massive thumbs up from me. If you don't buy this for yourself, if you're gifting this for somebody, it's a fantastic gift. But my honest opinion, don't gift it to anybody else, gift it for yourself, because you will definitely appreciate it. But if you're nice, I suppose you can gift it to other people too. Totally over the moon with this. Yeah guys, if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, I will leave it linked in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, go on and purchase it, and see what other fantastic products they do as well. They do an array, an abundance of different products. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.